So Lithuania wants to be the new hub for fintech in Eastern Europe. How do you plan to achieve that?
Lithuania is already a fintech hub, not only in Eastern but also in southern part of the Europe. And here at this conference we're going to share our experience, how we managed to do this. And the principle is very simple. When we talk about fintech, we talk about simplicity, we talk about efficiency, effectiveness, and quick decisions. So in Lithuania, we do this in many areas, and fintech is our success story.
Last week, your government announced a collaboration with the Hyperledger project that develops standards for blockchain. Could you tell us what's behind this move?
Yeah, so blockchain is a very promising technology which can be used in many areas, not only financial services, but in all kinds of registers, transactions, etc. And in Lithuania, we are considering to introduce it widely to public service as well.
And don't you worry about the risks associated with the volatility behind bitcoins, for example?
Yeah, of course, risks are everywhere. You cannot even marry without risks. But of course, we cannot ignore this new phenomenon of cryptocurrencies. And we do believe that this area should be regulated. And of course, in Lithuania, we consider national regulation, but also the European Commission is considering to issue kind of regulations in this area as well.
So the regulation should come first from the EU level, not the G20 level?
So it doesn't matter who is the first to initiate, but I'm happy that policymakers are started to discuss this issue, and I do believe this solution should be at global level.
Another attractive point for Lithuania is the very low corporate tax. It's at 15%. You know that France and Germany want to find a way to align their corporate tax to around 25%. What does that mean for Lithuania? Would you be ready to actually raise your corporate tax for the sake of fiscal harmonization in the EU?
Yeah, so talking about, first of all, about the convergence between different countries. So for Lithuania, it's very important to attract investments into productive sectors. We have not only one of the lowest profit tax rates, but also we have the best package at EU level for research and development, for innovations, for new technologies, for commercialization of activities. And therefore, to lose this competitive advantage for us, of course, we wouldn't be happy saying in a polite way, and I don't believe that there will be consensus on that topic.
So you think corporate tax harmonization is not the priority, or should we have two speeds, one with a lower corporate tax like Lithuania or Ireland, and then France and Germany at 25%? Is that your view?
I think we should focus on principles, on subsidiarity principle, and EU is not harmonized to such a level that we can speak about harmonization of profit tax. Maybe this question can be raised in the future, but as for now, I don't see much room for discussions in this area.